Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs in a Mazda CX-3. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin, preventing any accidental burns. For your safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding with any electrical components. This simple step helps prevent electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Now, let's get to those spark plugs. Begin by locating and carefully removing your engine cover. It's usually secured by just a few bolts. Next, gently disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. Take your time here to avoid damaging the delicate wiring. Once the connectors are off, unbolt each ignition coil and pull it straight up and out. You should now have a clear view of the spark plugs nestled deep within the engine. With the ignition coils out of the way, it's time to remove the old spark plugs. Use your spark plug socket and an extension to carefully loosen and extract each one. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate other engine issues. When installing the new plugs, always start by hand tightening them to prevent any cross-threading. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's exact specifications, typically between 15 and 20 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure fit. You're almost done? Now, carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place, and reconnect their electrical connectors. Once all coils are secure, place the engine cover back on and fasten any bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, start your Mazda CX-3 and listen closely. The engine should run smoothly, without any hesitation or misfires, indicating a successful spark plug replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.